What's up, everybody? So, as you can tell from the thumbnail, we have a little bit of unboxing going on today. Now, this is another exciting one because this is a really big milestone for this car. This is straight from S1, and you know, if you read the packaging here, it kind of gives it a little bit away of what we got hidden in these boxes. This is a gangster setup, man. I have no other way of putting it. I don't know how else to put it besides the fact that when it comes to all-wheel drive, I think this is the company that's got it. Now, I'm not paid promoting these people, none of that. This is just from my research. I think they really got this nailed down pat. And I cannot wait to open this box and show them to you guys. So, with that being said, let me get situated. Let's get this stuff opened up so I can show you what we got for the CRX. Which one do we open up first? We're going with this one. Now, I was super impressed with the shipping speed on this. Like, I ordered this Sunday, got notification Monday that it was shipped out, and today's Tuesday, and it's here. Oh, I can see it. I don't think y'all are ready for this. I don't think y'all are ready for this. Woo, man, these things look sweet. Look at it, right there. So this is what we got on the first one. And in case you don't know what you're looking at, we're looking at the S1 Alpha Lite trailing arms and hub assembly. They make these all in-house. And these are light because they're shortened down. It eliminates basically the whole front half of this. Ooh boy, fully adjustable too. So these are now your toe adjustments. This bolts in where your the trailing arm, the big round trailing arm bushing, normally goes right about in this general area, and this is where these bolt in, if I'm not mistaken. And you slide this back and forth. This is your adjustment. You lock it for your toe. We're gonna go ahead and set that back to kind of a neutral. It looks like it's adjustable here as well to compensate for your chassis. Man, look at these things. They're beautiful. I can't wait to get these powder coated. Set up for that all-wheel drive axle. This one, this is the driver's side. It's beautiful. It comes with brand new hubs. It's awesome. I'm so excited about this. This is the whole back setup for the CRX, guys. I think it's everything I need, actually, to the back in these boxes. Minus, you know, the drive shaft and the viscous coupler, which I have a drive shaft laying over here, but I don't know if I can use that or not. All right, box number 2. Let's check it out. So, in box number 2, we have 4 boxes. Woo! A little pamphlet of some stuff they make. Thank you. Ooh, and they give me a keychain. That's what's up. I'll be using that. So, this is your billet shock mount. This goes into your lower control arm. It relocates it just slightly to where it can clear for the axle to slide through here. Coilover now threads into this part here. I mean, I can't wait to show you guys this stuff set up. New hardware. This is nice. I've been daydreaming over this stuff for the past couple of weeks now. Alright, on top of that we have, I believe this is the tube for the diff. Yep. This looks like just a fancy little bracket. Maybe bolt holes there. S1 obviously. I can't wait to peel that off. And this is the diff center section. This bolts to the back side of the differential. Bolts here. This looks like this goes to your trailing arms on each side. And it should sit in there like that when you look at it. I believe this is polished. These should be for this. I'm gonna have to freshen up a little bit and watch some of their install videos that they got, just to make sure that I put this in the right spot. But it seems like it's pretty much self-explanatory. You know, the little pamphlet they have, and the little keychain. How they know my favorite color was red? Thanks, guys. Shout out to this. This is the rear differential that I have off of a 2001 CRV, I believe it was. Should line up that. Oh yeah. Now going perfectly like that. Bolt holes go there. You know, it's a back side. Something like that. And then this goes into the sides. Something like that, I believe. You weld it all in place. I'm hoping maybe this weekend I can get some of this installed and get an idea of what I have to do to get this diff mounted. I really want to get those trailing arms installed, check fitment, and get everything just welded up so I can send those off to powder coating. And then we can put them back on and be done with the back. The whole back. We'll wrap it up there for now. Hit up the latest videos, watch the progress of this beauty get built. I have done some progress since you guys have seen it. Told y'all I wasn't really going to record much of this cage work, but this is now tacked in, this is tacked in, that bar there is tacked in for the dash. Both pedestals in the corner are made and fully welded in. We're making progress. It's getting there. Little by little. That shit takes forever. But here we are. Again, subscribe, hit that like button, give me some comments, give me some feedback. We're gonna get this shit on. Y'all have a nice day.